whenever you're ready.
All right. I'm Matthew. I'm here to present Project Azure's Rainwater Collection System. So why do we want to collect rainwater in the first place? The Earth Environmental and Planetary Sciences Department at Rice University wants us to collect rainwater because it wants to take samples of this rainwater and test them for their concentration of isotopes of hydrogen and oxygen. This helps them determine where the rainwater actually came from. And this also means that we need to make sure that each of our samples is collected independently. So how does our system work? Rainwater enters in this top funnel right here. As it enters the system, it fills up each bottle sequentially. Here it is filling up the first bottle. As the rainwater rises in the first bottle, it will eventually get further and further up till it reaches this float valve. When it reaches this float valve, there's a ball inside, and the water forces, through the force of buoyancy, pushes the ball to the top. This essentially forces the water onto the next sample bottle. And we can continue this process until all of our bottles are completely full. We also want to demonstrate that there is no contamination between water that's poured in later and the initial water that's poured into each bottle. To demonstrate this, we have some red water here. When we pour the red water in, you can see that it enters the third water bottle, but it does not enter the first two. This demonstrates that the first two bottles create an effective seal. If we continue pouring clear water in, then you can see that a lot of the water in the fourth sample bottle will go back to being clear. There is some mixture that happens in the water channel, but it is minimal. So as you can see here, the results of this experiment show that our rainwater system effectively isolates the samples for lab testing.